Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams, the stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In the soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly.
What up guys, your boy Big A here. Welcome to another Big A's Diecast finds episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you my recent finds. I hope you guys enjoy the video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Let's start off with this cool Matchbox moving parts. This is the 1962 Ford Anglia. So this is from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. My wife is a huge Potterhead, so she already claimed this as hers, but I just wanted to share with you. So as you can see, this one has an opening trunk and opening doors. So all you Potterheads, be on the lookout for this one. And of course, it's new for 2024. Let's take a look at the back really quick. It's got some specs. And here's the bottom. Alright guys, next one up is this very cool Matchbox Collectors 1963 BMW M3. Take a look at this, guys. You can see it's got the shell livery and deco, white wheels. It's got the cage in gray. Let's take a look at the front here. As you can see, it's got lots of details. Headlights, the grille, and it's got the shell decals up on the hood. It's got the nice shell on top. Take a look at the back here. Very nice details on the back as well. Take a look at that. You can see the BMW badge, turn signals, tail lights. Very nice piece. Next one up is this very cool cartooned 1987 Chevy C10. As you can see, this is number 6 of 8. There seems to be a lot of hype on these. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before. So here are all 8 cars. I only picked up the 87 Chevy C10, which I'm a little confused because it looks more like a Silverado to me. But hey, I only go by what's on the description, guys. So let's turn this thing around and take a closer look at it. As you can see, it's got the nice chrome wheels, nice meaty tires. Not much detail on the front. The grille is all chromed out. Dark glass all around. Tail lights, and on the back window it says cartooned. So this one here, has 4 different settings for the stance, but yeah, this one has like 4 of them, and then another one has like 2 or 3 of them or something like that. So it's just a matter of cracking them open and checking them out. I'm gonna leave mine corded. I might open it later on in life, but for now it's gonna stay here. And here is the 2-pack. Here's its twin. Now we have the same truck but in red. Here's a comparison. Of course, the red one looks much better. That's just my opinion. But let's take a closer look at this, guys. So this 2-pack comes with a 69 Chevy Camaro in a nice matte gray. And it's got the flames on the side. It's got the nice fat meaty tires on the back, chrome wheels, blacked out windows. And it also has the cartooned decal on the back of the window. As a matter of fact, I think they all do. Yep. So here you go, guys. The truck has it as well. So let's take a look at the back. I love the card art on this. And if you flip this over, you can see that it comes with a cute little diorama. Very cool. So yeah, very excited about these. I'm only going to pick up the trucks. Unfortunately, they don't have the red truck on its own, so I had to buy the 2-pack. I mean, the Camaro is not that bad looking. I mean, not a huge fan of it, but I really wanted the truck, so I had to fork out the extra money to buy it. So anyways, there is that. Next one up is cool Johnny Lightning. This is the 1964 Ram Chargers Dodge 330. Let's take a closer look, guys. As you can see, it comes in a beautiful white color. It's got the original Ram Chargers kinematic theme. It's got a red interior. I like the way they did the wheels here, especially the front ones, half red, half white, and then the back wheels are all blacked out. I'm sure the opposite side is the same. So very cool livery and deco. And let's take a look at the front here. You can see the headlights are well done, bumper and the grille, very cool. And let's take a look at the back here. You You can see the awesome red stripes on the trunk and on the top. Very, very cool. And I also got the red one. Same livery, same deco, just different color. Now, I really scored on these guys. Target was having a deal. So these were marked down to $7.99, and they had a buy one, get one free. So, of course, I was not going to pass on the sweet deal. So here are the two, brother and sister. So let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, next one up is this cool Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8. This is number 3 of 5 of the Fast and Furious gold labeled set. So for this particular mix, I only care about the Porsche, and I did pick up the Mercedes. This is a repeat, so I left it behind, and these I don't care for. But here it is, guys. Check this thing out, man. Comes in a beautiful silver color, black interior. I love the black 5-spoke wheels. Let's take a look at the front here. It's got some nice details. You can see the Porsche badge, headlights, turn signals. And let's take a look at the back here. Very nice details as well. Black base, Wheel Rider wheels. This thing is a beauty, man. I also scored this very cool VW Golf MK7. This is number 3 of 5 from the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture World Tour set. So this one comes in the very nice satin blue. Love this little white stripe here. White 6-spoke wheels, blacked out windows. It's got some nice details on the front. You can see the VW badge, headlights, the grille in black, and on the back it's got some very nice details as well. Tail lights, turn signals, the VW badge, the black base, and of course the Wheel Rider wheels. So here is the complete set. Feel free to pause the video. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. So for this particular set, I only picked up the Audi, the VW, and of course the hard to find Toyota Supra, which I'm about to show you right now. I also scored this awesome 1982 Toyota Supra. This is from the gold label Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture series. So take a look at this, guys. This one is going to be very, very hard to find. As a matter of fact, I only found one on the pegs. As you can see, it comes in a very nice white color, black interior, roll down windows on the driver and front passenger side. It's got the side louvers, back louvers on that window right there. Nice details on the back. Tail lights, turn signals, black base. It's got the 10-spoke gold wheels with chrome trim. Let's take a look at the front here. Very nice details. This one has one headlight up, the other one is down. So this car is really, really nice, guys. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. So here is the complete set. Out of this particular mix, I only picked up the Audi, which I've shown before, the VW, and now I got the Supra. Don't care for the Brasilia or the Alfa Romeo. Next one up is this cool M2 Machines 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger 340. It comes in a beautiful lime green white interior. It's got the black hood with the exposed engine. I love the large black banner that wraps from one side to the other. It's got the Goodyear lettering, 5-spoke chrome wheels. Take a look at the front here. Not much detail on the front, but it's okay. And let's take a look at the back. It does have the taillight detail. Very, very nice piece, man. Card art is awesome. Very cool. I also picked up this awesome M2 Machines 1990 Chevy C1000 Silverado. Take a look at this, guys. I love the stands. I love the color. Comes in a beautiful light gray color. Looks like a gray interior as well. The H5s in chrome. I love the red penciled striping on the sides. Here we have some taillight detail. Let's turn this thing around. Take a look at that, guys. You can barely see the gold Chevy bow tie right on the center of the grille and the headlight detail. Very, very nice piece. I'm surprised I found this one, man. It was just sitting right there waiting for me to take it home. So, all right, guys, last but not least, this car that's long overdue. So this is a Father's Day gift from my son Alec. we have the Mini GT Miho exclusive LB Silhouette Works Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo. Take a look at this, guys. Comes in a beautiful candy apple green with black accents all around. The 6-spoke wheels. It's got the Liberty Walk decal on top of the wing there. It also has the Liberty Walk banner on top of the windshield. Very nice details on the front. Let's take a look at the back. Very, very nice. So I do have Mattel's version of this car. And although Mattel did a very good job on it, there's no question in my mind that Mini GT outdid Mattel's version of this car in terms of detail. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.